Salam alaikum. In Islam, daughters hold a special place in the hearts of their parents. They are a source of love, mercy, and blessings. Contrary to cultural beliefs, Islam values daughters just as much as sons. The Prophet Muhammad said, "Whoever has 3 daughters and is patient with them, clothes them well and feeds them, they will be a shield for him from the hellfire." Islam emphasizes the importance of educating daughters. The Prophet Muhammad said, "Seeking knowledge is obligatory for every Muslim, male and female." Daughters have the right to inherit from their parents according to Islamic law. They are entitled to financial support and protection. In Islam, daughters are a source of immense blessings. They bring joy, love, and happiness to their families. Remember, treating daughters with kindness and respect is not only a cultural norm, but a religious obligation in Islam. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on Islam. Peace be upon you.